Hello, this is PHP training course, and today is day 17. I will guide you how to use PHP to insert data into MySQL server. Okay, so here in this video, we are going to use the MySQL server script to run it in the PHP. Let's close this one, and I will open browser and access to PHP admin. Okay, and provide the username and password for a root account. Click on new button here to create a new database. Okay. PHP training course DB. Okay. Okay, create button. Okay. You can see here new database has been created, and now we are going to create a table. Here, I will name it the table user, and we have 4 columns. Yeah. Okay. And after that, click on the go button to perform the query to create a new table. Yeah. I provide the ID, name, email, and address. Okay. The ID is integer, the name should be okay. I will, and the length is 6 default. Yeah. And the attribute is undecided. Primary key. Okay. And because this is the primary key, so ID I will select it either auto increment. So auto increment, and auto increment means when we insert any data into this table, the ID will be auto increased. Varchar, email varchar, and the address is varchar as well. Okay. You can click on preview button here to see the query. Save button to perform the action. Okay. Yeah. So you can see here in the content tree we have a PHP training course database has been created with a table, username, and 4 columns. Okay. Open the subline text, and I will go ahead to create a new file. PHP Insert .php. Okay. So now here I will open the code we have done in the previous video, and this is some basic code to connect with the database. In this video I will add more a new variable for the database name. Okay, so here in order to connect into the database MySQL server, we have to provide the server name, username, password, and database name. Okay. And here we are going to create connection to server. We have to provide the server name, username, password, and database name. So now we are going to testing the connection to the database. Okay, you can see here the PHP application has been connected successfully to MySQL server database. Yeah. If we provide another password, it will display the error message. The same thing when we provide the wrong database name, display the message error. Okay. I will change the title using PHP to insert data into MySQL server. Okay. So now here, I will go ahead to write the code to insert single row data into MySQL server. Yeah. I go ahead to create a new variable SQL server and insert. And in order to write the code of the SQL server here, you have to understand the structure of MySQL server and its query, because if you don't know it, and then you don't know how to write the code here. Insert into table, and I have table E TBL users. Okay, we have a name, email, and address. And the values, here we have to provide the value for 3 parameters: name, email, and address. Okay, the name should be Chiến Vũ, email chiến.vs@gmail.com. Here, and address is Hanoi, Vietnam. Okay. So now here we are going to check. Equal to new record has been created successfully. Added successfully. Okay. And otherwise, it should be displaying the error message. Okay, and the last step, we have to close the connection between the PHP and MySQL server. Okay, and now I will open browser and refresh this one. Here, new record has been added successfully. Okay, cool. Back to PHP my admin and refresh this one. Okay, so here you can see after we refresh the table usernames, we have a new column, a new record has been added into the database with the ID 1, it is auto increment, and the name. Okay. So now here I will trying to add new records again. Here you can see we have a record number 2 has been added successfully. Okay, so now I will comment this code. Yeah, so I will go ahead to create a new query to allow the user perform adding multiple row into MySQL server database. Okay, it's multiple records. Yeah, we use the same parameter as in the single one. here. It will look similar to the single adding as a single inserting data. Yeah, we have to manage and merge the string of the multiple sequence server query into one query, and after that we will execute the query to perform the work. Okay, and now I will add one more for 10 record. Okay, I will set it up. Okay, Vietnam only. Okay, yeah, refresh it this, and you can see we have 2 record. Copy it and open it in a new browser. Oh, we have error occurred. Seems the query is not good. We need to have ending of the query. Okay. Refresh this one. Here, new record has been added successfully. Here, it seems the new query has been added into the database. Refresh this one. Yeah. So here you can see we have a 10 record of the user has been added into this table. That means the code is working fine. Okay. So I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to use PHP to insert the data into MySQL server. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.